Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to share with you this fun little project that I made using the May 2019 Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin Kit. So if you're not familiar with the Paper Pumpkin Kit, it comes in a box. It's got all sorts of goodies in here. They give us ideas and step-by-step directions on how to create projects using all of the items in the box. I like to shake it up. I like to take those, break them down, make them into new and creative ideas to give you guys inspiration on how you can utilize your kit in unique ways. Every kit comes with a stamp set, and this month we have this beautiful stamp set. Every kit comes with some kinds of embellishments, and this month we got all sorts of ribbon. And yes, this is a mess. It did not come like this, but I have been crafting, so I am not the neatest crafter always. Well, a lot of times, to be quite honest. So we also got some punch aparts with some florals and some vellum leaves. We got these great little tags with the silver foil lining, and then we got these beautiful envelopes. And I just thought these were so pretty, and I thought I want to do something different with them. So I decided that I wanted to create a little, and I guess I don't know exactly what to call it. I'm going to call it, let's see, a envelope flip gift album. How about that? You guys let me know what you think I should call it. Leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're enjoying my content. And if you haven't already taken the opportunity to, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and tap the bell so you'll get notifications of future videos. So let me go ahead and show you this project. So this actually has 4 envelopes. It accordion folds onto itself. And when you open it up, it can hang on your wall. Isn't that so sweet? What a nice gift for someone to remember that you're thinking about them. So sorry, I'm having to kind of scroll through because this is a lot to get on my camera. Flip it over, and I've used those envelope pockets and also created a band to create some goodies. So I've got in here our in color ribbons. These are the 5 in colors for the 1920 catalog. I love this burlap with this beautiful scalloped edge on those. Let me see if I can adjust that. I'm having a hard time with lighting today, guys. So let me see if I can get that a little bit better for you. It's just not the best time of day for me to be shooting video, but it's the time I have. I've also put some of the Mosaic Mood Specialty DSP. This got that beautiful shimmer on that, and then the back sides. So get a little sampler in there. I've also got a sampling of the woven threads, which coordinates beautifully with our in colors. And again, you've got the back sides of each of these, as well as a sample of the faceted gems. Let me get in there. I'm just going to pull one of these out so you guys see all the detail, the shimmer you get from the faceted cut on those gems. And they come in all of the in colors in one set when you purchase those. If you're interested in any of these new items, they will be available June 4th at my online store. And if you'd love to get your hands on a bunch of this designer series paper, but you don't want to have to spend a couple $100 getting every pack of paper that came out, check out my paper share. I'll include a link to that video in the description below, and it's a great way to get a little bit of everything at a budget price. So this is going out to a crafty friend of mine, somebody who really inspired me and kind of gave me a lot of encouragement and support when I was starting my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate all of that advice that she gave me and the time that she took to help me out along the way. So her name is Desiree, and she is with Include a Thank You and Then Some. I'm going to put a link to her channel. If you haven't already checked it out, make sure you check her out. She's got such a great creative mind, and I love watching her projects. So I'm not going to go through all the details. of how I put this all together, but I am going to show you how I put the base together very quickly. I'm a visual person, so I kind of one of those I need to see it, not just have somebody say it to me. So first thing I did is grabbed 4 envelopes, and I did like to alternate the colors there. I love in the paper pumpkin kits, they always give us this beautiful liners with our envelopes. I took the first envelope and I went ahead and tucked that into the top, or into the flap inside, because that's going to be our top piece. I went and took all 3, left the bottom one, don't do this with the bottom one, but the other 3 I took and I just shaved a little tiny sliver off of the bottom of those envelopes with my paper trimmer, just so that I could open them up. And I took my Tombow Mono Multi, covered the flap on both sides. Use a light touch. You don't want to do too much, or you're going to buckle that up. So, you know, go ahead and put your Tombow Mono Multi on there. And actually, sorry, I said both sides. You're going to do just over along the bottom of the one side. So cover this back side, slide it in there, do a little bead so you close up that flap, and you're going to put that envelope the rest of the way in. You're going to continue to do that with your other envelopes until you have them all together, and then you can create your accordion fold. And trust me, when they're glued together, they're going to fold a lot easier. So there you have it. Now, I did take a panel and cut it down to cover this whole page, and took a little bit of that yarn thread that came with the kit and made a loop so that I would have my closure. And then on the back side, I created a little, used one of these pop-ups that we got, or these pop-outs, I guess I should say, and a dimensional, adhered that down, and made that my closure by looping the yarn around. As far as the inside, again, you can decorate these however you want, fill it with whatever you want. You can leave it empty, let them fill it, and tuck little notes in there if you'd like. It's really up to you. But I thought this was a fun project, and I hope that it will be appreciated. And I really appreciated, again, all of the help that you've given me, Desiree, and I enjoy watching all of your videos and just the amazing creativity that you have. So there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to get any of these projects or products, you can always shop at my online store. Until we meet again, make sure that you grab your paper, Stampin' Ink, make something creative, and share it with someone you love.